to pray. Love and kindness, peace we share in this moment beyond compare. From dawn's first light prayers arise, gratitude in every sigh, breaking fast with sweets and treats, blessings abundant as we meet. Eid Mubarak.